The third part, guys, if you want to use the remote control to control your projector, I have a TV tuner, to control the TV tuner, to control the receiver from only one remote control, well, you got to buy yourself a L336. It's a universal remote control that it's programmable, and it's a learning remote control. You can put it through the face-to-face with the remote control you want to copy, and you can copy the commands. I'm going to show you exactly how to program it, because it's very simple, and you can buy it and you can use only one remote control to control the receiver, the projector, and other devices. For example, this remote control has 3 buttons here. I put the TV to the TV button, logical, the set to the projector, to my projector, control the projector, and the hi-fi to control, logic, the receiver. And you can switch the controls pressing a button and program all the buttons for express for one device of yours. It's very simple, and you cannot imagine what benefits you will have with only one remote control. Next, guys, I'm going to teach you how to program this universal learning remote control that has the buttons like the non-receiver, almost the position of the buttons. The ergonomy is not that great, but they tried. But for a $10 remote control, I think it's a very pleasant and good thing that you can use only one remote control to control the TV, the receiver, and the projector. Now, let me demonstrate how it works. So now for the projector, I use the button, the middle button, the set button here, the DVB. Push the DVB and it will blink. But if you are holding it, this is into the learning position. So now, while it's into the learning mode, press the button you want to learn. So I want to use the right button. And now for this remote control, also the right. Hold it here, press a couple of times, and here it made that blink you saw. Now it's a steady light. Now it learned the right joystick. And let's see, press again to confirm. Now let's see, I put all the buttons, the joystick up, down, exactly like in the remote controls, original remote control. The OK button, the menu button, I program it even to make myself the brightness more, to put the echo and the other stuff. Let's see, the joystick works, go right, go left, down, up, and other buttons you can program. Look, you have so many buttons here to program the original button to this universal remote control. So now if I want to use my receiver, I press the DVD or hi-fi button and I can use the volume. You see, here is the volume, and it increases and decreases. It's too bad that when it holds, it has this, it's not a bug necessarily, but I don't know why it doesn't work, because the LED is blinking, but it doesn't send a permanent signal. It only, you have to push so many times to turn on and turn down the volume, which is a little bit lame. Maybe they will improve this remote controls, but you will see on the market there are a lot of universal remote controls with learning. This is what we are interested in. So I put my menu here, for example, the power button that works on off to the receiver. I can control the receiver, I can control the video projector, and this is quite fun doing it and taking from your a lot of headaches, a lot of remote controls, and simplifies your life. Next to the TV, for example, I click the TV and here I have a TV. If I'm pointing to the TV, on, just with this remote control. I'm pressing the TV to select the TV, putting on, and now I have to switch the channel from the receiver. I press the receiver button and I put, for example, the TV number 1, and it switches to the TV, and number 2 the PC, and furthermore the Bluetooth 3, 4, as you please. So pressing the menu of the TV and go into the menu and select whatever you want. So it's like using the TV's remote control, but it's actually a universal remote control. So guys, I hope you like this review. I hope it will help you and simplify your life.